Yo, Adam Witt, aka Omnivorous Adam here, and this is the Instant Brands Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. And today we're going to use its incredible air frying capabilities to make the crispiest, crunchiest, crustiest buffalo chicken wings. The secret to perfectly crisp chicken wings is a fantastic air fryer, and luckily we have one right in front of us. Start by coating the wings in a mixture of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, a touch of baking soda, some salt, and black pepper. Give that a mix. Season your chicken wings with a pinch of salt. Then, first, coat each individual wing in the seasoned flour. Then transfer to a bowl of egg wash consisting of a whisked egg and a dash of water. Then finally, finish coating the wings in breadcrumbs. Repeat this process with each chicken wing, then set them all aside. Now, the instant indoor grill and air fryer can do it all. I'm talking grilling, broiling, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and of course, air frying. Set the cooker up for air frying, then select the air fry button. Set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the timer to 25 minutes. Press start and let the machine preheat. While that happens, let's make an easy buffalo sauce. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt in some butter. Then add in some hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of salt. Swirl that around until homogeneous, then set it aside for now, off of the heat. Once the air fryer is preheated, add the breaded wings inside in a single layer, then shut the window and let it work its magic. This is another big reason I really dig this 6-in-1 cooker, the window. The ability to see food cook in real time is not only super cool, but it's super helpful. It allows you the ability to check the progress of your food without interrupting the cooking process. About halfway through the cooking process, open the window and flip the chicken wings on the other side. Shut the window once more and let it continue to air fry. This thing is a powerhouse, and instant appliances use up to 60% less energy than traditional electric ovens, which is pretty cool. A big hassle that comes with air frying inside is the odor that comes with cooking. The instant indoor grill and air fryer is the only multi-cooker around with odor erase technology and this nifty removable filter to help cut down any strong aromas. Between this and the protective glass window, cooking in this multi-cooker allows for a super easy cleanup. When the machine indicates that the air fryer is finished cooking, pull out a chicken wing and check this thing out. Look how crispy and crusty and golden brown that is. These are some of the crispiest wings you can make, and if you don't believe me, hear this. Transfer the wings to a large bowl, then pour over the warm buffalo sauce, making sure to toss to coat every single individual wing. Serve with celery, carrots, and a side of blue cheese or ranch dressing. And let us know in the comments below, are you going to enjoy these wings with ranch dressing or blue cheese dressing? That is a crusty, crunchy chicken wing. There are plenty of other recipes just as delicious as this over on the Instant Brands Connect app, which you can download over at the App Store. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, and for more recipes like this, subscribe to the channel. I need more of these. Oh. Thanks for watching.